Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to change the logo on your Shopify store, which is actually called a favicon, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's jump straight in. So your favicon is actually the little logo that shows up on your store name when somebody's searching for it on Google. And like Shopify has the actual little Shopify bag. So we're going to go in on the left-hand side to the sales channels, and we're going to look for the online store, and we're going to tap on that. Now, once we over here on the online store page, you will see that you have themes, and you can go ahead here and customize your theme. We're going to tap on that. Once we are in here, we will see that there is a menu on the left hand side of the page, and right on the left hand side there's theme settings, and it depends on what interface you're using, what system you're using. Your settings might be at the bottom of the page. However, you can navigate to theme settings. Now once you're here, you will either find a favicon item on this menu, or you can just go into logo and use that drop down arrow, and here you can see that there's a favicon image. You can now go ahead and explore free images. These are all stock images, or you can just go ahead and tap on select image. You'll now be able to select the image of your choice, and then once somebody actually goes ahead and searches for your store and finds it on Google, they will actually see that icon next to the store name. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.